Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to customize your page color and control where your page numbers start. Let's jump right in. Navigate to the Design tab and click on Page Color. Then, choose from built-in shades like pastel or high contrast, or click More colors to pick a custom hue. Once selected, your entire document gains that background color, instantly changing the tone and style. Go to the Insert tab. Then, page number and then choose location. For example, bottom center. The numbers default from page 1. And there you go. Front matter like title pages or contents will remain unnumbered. And there you have it. If you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe for more quick design tips, and let me know what word features you'd like me to explore next. See you next time.